Doing more with less. We've all heard this before, but what if it was actually possible? 3M wants to help enable you to do just that. 3M's Stockpile Maintenance Program can help you manage your PPE better, recycle old and expired PPE, and optimize your preparedness spending, saving you money and helping keep your emergency preparedness program on track. It's important to have the necessary PPE on hand for emergencies so it's ready to go. We recognize that this can be challenging to keep up with and manage. Often you might stock PPE by purchasing your entire inventory at once. But what if your entire inventory expires in 5 years? You'll be disposing of the entire old inventory and replacing it with new stock. When you're buying in bulk like this, you're tying up cash. You may also be exposing yourself to periods of time where you're waiting on new inventory to arrive. And you need to have adequate funds available to purchase this entire amount at year 5. 3M wants to help you optimize your process and help you use your PPE budget more efficiently and effectively. By staggering your PPE purchasing incrementally year after year rather than buying in bulk, you'll be proactively managing your PPE inventory. In a 5-year cycle, you'll only need to replace 20% of your PPE inventory each year. The benefits to a rotating inventory system like this include freeing up cash to apply to other critical needs, smoother budget projections with a regular purchasing pattern, minimized risk to fund replacement of large quantities of expired product, along with the cost savings available through the Stockpile program discount. This way, you'll have what you need on hand when you need it. That's doing more with less. Getting there is simple. We're here to help you stretch your budget while ensuring your respiratory inventory is up to date and ready to go. You'll get a 5% rebate today to replenish your stock. You can recycle your current stock that is old and expired. Future discounts are possible to help with the migration from a bulk to a rotating purchase pattern. And we've made it easy to manage all of this with 3M's Stockpile Inventory Management System. Increase your peace of mind knowing that you are in control of your PPE. 3M's Stockpile Maintenance Program. Do more with less.